Well, I'm definitely not the first to say that even if all you ever do in your Instant Pot is hard-boiled eggs, it is worth it just for those alone. They peel so easily, you will not believe it. So today on the Spicy Apron Cooking Show, we are going to make Instant Pot egg salad. And no, I don't use the 5-5-5 method to cook my eggs. Stay tuned and you'll see how I do them, and they come out perfectly every single time. Well, it goes without saying that to have really fantastic egg salad, you have to have perfect hard-boiled eggs. And I'm going to show you how I like to make my hard-boiled eggs in the Instant Pot. Perfectly cooked, perfectly yellow, no green ring around them. You're going to love them. Now, you will need to either use the trivet that came with your Instant Pot, or I use this flexible silicone steamer basket. It's great because it fits my 3-quart mini, which I'm using today, and it also fits a 6-quart, and I don't have an 8-quart, but I'll bet you it'll fit that too. So all I do is just kind of shove that right in the Instant Pot. No trivet is underneath. 3/4 of a cup of water. You can use 1 cup, that's fine. And then place our eggs. These are actually right out of the refrigerator. They're regular Walmart eggs. Stick them in the Instant Pot. Pile them in. I've seen people do up to 2 dozen eggs in their Instant Pot. You're gonna put the lid on. You're going to make sure that the knob is turned to sealing, and then you're going to set the timer for pressure cook for 7 minutes. Now, a lot of people on the internet, I see it on Pinterest, I see it on blogs, they do this 5-5-5 method. It's like 5 minutes at pressure, and then 5 minutes at a natural release, and then 5 minutes in an ice bath, and frankly, that's just a little too complicated for me. So I actually do it at high pressure for 7 minutes, and then take them out immediately with a quick release. Put them in some cool water for about a minute, and then they're done. It's really easy, and it works every time, as you will see in a minute. While we're waiting for our perfectly cooked hard-boiled eggs, and yes, I know technically they're not boiled in an Instant Pot because they don't actually ever touch the water, but you get the point. I'm sticking with hard-boiled eggs. We're gonna go ahead and assemble the rest of the egg salad, which is really easy. First, you need a couple of stalks of celery. You're just going to cut them up into little bite-sized pieces. So I definitely like some crunch to my egg salad, which is why I do the celery. And then we're going to mix the rest of the ingredients, and it's really basic. I've got some mayo. I've got some spicy brown mustard. I'm throwing in a little bit of fresh dill because I happen to have it in the fridge today. If you don't have it, feel free to leave that out. Add your celery that you just cut up, some salt and pepper, and if you want the full recipe, go ahead and click the link below to thespicyapron.com. It'll go right to the egg salad recipe. I do a little squeeze of lime. It gives it a little bit of a brightness that cut into the heaviness that egg salad sometimes has. And we're gonna give it a good stir. And wait for our eggs. Well, the timer just went off, and we want to do a quick release. That means open the vent right away. If you need more information on different types of releases you can do with an Instant Pot, check out my tips and tricks video that I put out. So I'm gonna go ahead and release the pressure. Pressure has been fully released. I know that because the little pin next to the release valve just dropped, and then you know all the pressure's escaped, and you can open your Instant Pot. And like I said, they're perfect every time. I don't have an issue with cracking eggs. I see that a lot on Facebook groups and internet sites. These are perfect. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them in a bowl and just run some cold water on them for a couple of minutes. And then I'm gonna show you how easy it is to peel these. You'll be shocked. Okay, ready to peel. It is kind of amazing how Instant Pot took what was one of the worst chores in the kitchen, peeling hard-boiled eggs, and turned it into actually kind of a fun task. All you're gonna do is plop it on your cutting board, punch it around a little bit, and watch the peel come off like magic. Look at that, it's done. That's it, that's how long it took, like 2 seconds to peel this egg. So I'm gonna peel the others, and I'll be right back with you. Well, look at that. It is beautiful, it is perfect. They peeled in no time at all. And the fun part is cutting in and looking at the beautiful yellow color, no green around the edge. I'm telling you, this is how they look every single time I make these hard-boiled eggs, probably 4 times a week. They're always, always perfect. I'm gonna chop these up and then we're gonna mix them with the rest of our stuff. The color is just gorgeous. The texture is absolutely perfect. It's gonna be the best egg salad you ever had. Let's put the eggs into the bowl where we've already mixed up everything else, and we'll be done. All right, our gorgeous cut up eggs are in our bowl that we've already mixed all the other ingredients in. And I don't like my egg salad super gloppy with a bunch of mayo. So I put just enough in it to keep it together. Look how beautiful. Oh, you should smell the dill in that. Honestly, I know I said it was optional, but whew, it smells really good. Look at how chunky and beautiful that is. I just love it. This is something we love to take with us camping. I often will make it ahead of time, put this in a zip top bag, and throw it in the fridge or the cooler, and then when we get there, we throw it on some crackers, or if we have some toast, we put it on that. I actually have this totally awesome thick toast that I use for French toast, but I had some left over, so I am gonna pile some on top of here. Once I have it piled on, then I just add a few little green onions on top to add just a little bit of a kick. And that is egg salad. So if you want more Instant Pot recipes, I've got a bunch of them on my website at thespicyapron.com. I also have an Instant Pot authorized cookbook coming out in just a few weeks. I'm super excited. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button below if you want more information about that. Happy eating. It was great. It's chunky, it's got texture. The eggs are perfect. You will love egg salad again.